Advancements in drone technology have been making waves in various industries, and the latest development from Elithor is no exception. The EPFL spin-off has introduced a new drone that has the ability to adapt to wind conditions and flight positions in real time, making it a game-changer in the field of inspection drones. Named Morpho, this hybrid UAV is part winged drone and part quadcopter. Its adaptive wings allow it to fly for longer periods and navigate through enclosed spaces with ease. Additionally, embedded sensors and cameras give Morpho the capability to inspect power plants and other infrastructure such as high-voltage power lines, gas pipelines, wind turbines, and offshore oil platforms. One of the most remarkable features of Morpho is its vertical takeoff capability, which allows it to be deployed in confined spaces and fly close to equipment during inspections without causing any damage. Once the inspection is completed, the drone's motors can shift, and it can rotate into a horizontal position, allowing it to fly to the next site more swiftly. In cases where Morpho encounters strong or rapidly changing winds, its wings will adjust asymmetrically to maintain its trajectory. The ability to glide under the right wind conditions is another feature that contributes to the drone's longer flight time. We calculated that using Morpho can reduce the time and cost of a drone inspection by an average of 35%, says Harry Vortsis, Elithor co-founder and CEO. Vortsis and colleagues have published an article in Advanced Intelligent Systems on their innovative drone design. The wing control system of Morpho is the result of years of research at EPFL's Laboratory of Intelligent Systems. The adaptive wing system, which reduces the drone's power requirements, is a combination of the longer flight times of winged drones and the superior maneuverability of quadcopters. Morpho's wing control system also includes sensors that monitor wind direction and speed and adjust the wing's surface area accordingly. Nathan Muller, also an Elithor co-founder, explains that the controller automatically selects whether to hold the wings in place or let them move freely with the wind, based on the drone's trajectory and effective speed, along with any changes in wind direction. Our design can reduce power use by up to 85% when the drone is flying in the vertical position, says Muller. It also significantly improves the drone's attitude and stability. Elithor's aim is to provide customers with a turnkey solution, which includes software for compiling and analyzing data collected by Morpho. With the launch of this innovative drone, Elithor plans to revolutionize inspection platforms and reduce the use of different types of drones for various equipment inspections. The Morpho drone is set to undergo industrial production in the coming months, with a market launch slated for the end of this year. This development is an exciting one, and it is sure to revolutionize the way inspections are done, especially in the field of power plants and other infrastructure.